So hey guys, in today's video, I'll teach you how you can take various types of screenshots in your OnePlus devices in Oxygen OS 15. First of all, make sure that screenshot gesture is turned on in the settings. For that, we will head to the settings. After going to the settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility and convenience. Now here, go over to the screenshot and make sure these two toggles are turned on. 3-finger swipe down and 3-finger touch and hold. Now let me show you how you can take a screenshot using 3-finger gestures. So in order to take a normal screenshot, just tap and swipe down with 3 fingers like this. It will take a normal screenshot. Pretty basic stuff. Now if you want to take a partial screenshot, you'll have to hold down 3 fingers and drag down to the area where you want to take the screenshot. So suppose I want to take the screenshot of the time. I'll tap and hold just above the time like this and then drag it downwards. So this will take a partial screenshot just like that.